This 2013 BMW X3 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. BMW X3 xDrive35i Premium Package Technology Package Navigation System Rear View Camera Rear Parking Sensors Panoramic Sunroof Heated Front Seats 3.0L Turbocharged 6-cylinder engine 8-speed automatic transmission Wheel drive Bluetooth connectivity Keyless and Tri-keyless start Heated exterior mirrors Power windows Gray metallic exterior Black interior Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2013 BMW X3 xDrive35i is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the R. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.